So slept on, no Tempur-Pedic, but that's why I gotta dream it, got a vision, now they see it. But they wanna ride, they used to hate, but it ain't gon' slide. I put this rapping on my life, I put this rapping on my dogs, no pedals. Don't care what them hoes say, no Cuervo. You say you really out here, but you ain't even there though. And I ain't talk about Robert when I say I need De Niro, Man, I'm talking.
No, you don't got no shift, just ease on the gas. Go by the Blue Horn. Pull up by the Blue Horn. What is going on, guys? So today I haven't done a whole lot. We just been sort of cleaning up the yard and stuff from the hurricane aftermath. But I don't know. I'm just making a little shoot of this because ain't no telling what else we're gonna do today. I don't know if it's gonna be any heavy car material, but anyways, got Nisha on the mower. So here's a better look at the tree, or the tree from this side that fell. We thinking it's more so the neighbor's tree, but since it fell on our side, we just gonna cut it. And it looks like it hit that window. I can't remember if that's always been that way or not. I don't see any white pieces on the ground, but it looks like almost like that window's been hit. Ain't no telling though. I don't know why he get off. Yeah. Jeff killing the bayou this evening. It's kind of like the perfect day to be working on cars, honestly, y'all, because it's like a little overcast and it's like kind of warm in the shop. It feels real good. So yeah, let me start on this. Alright guys, so a little update what we have here. Got Jeff over here taking apart the slave cylinder. A good thing about the CG model, the whole slave is like one whole, like it ain't got the the little junction right here on the transmission, like a 97 back to like 9 this have, it's like one whole long line. So when you take the whole slave off and take this bracket off up here, you can just flip the whole thing over. And then you won't have to, when you put the new motor in, you won't have to bleed your clutch or nothing, and just save you a bunch of time. Another plus for having a CG. So yeah, just getting that last, what's that, a 14 mil?
12, I think.
12. Getting that last 12 mil out. A little bit of grit. What you putting in there?
Yeah, all on one tool.
And see, this is what I was talking about. This one whole unit, so you can just lay that out your way somewhere. And that way, when you put your new one in, you just slide it right back over. And yeah, but as you can see, we got the radiator out. We got all of the stuff on this side off. The AC compressor, if you want to keep AC, just keep all your hard lines. Power steering off, your alternator off. Jeff look like he working on the gas right now. Yeah. And we already got all the water hoses off on this side. The one that go from the head back to the heater core, all that's gone already. And you got the shift linkage.
Yep.
Already got the shift linkage. We got to take the bracket on. You took the bracket?
Yeah, the bracket.
Damn, shit, boy. Damn, all we got to do is go in there and unplug this stock ass computer, get that piece of shit out.
Yeah, that's fully mounted in there.
We don't fucking run those stock ECUs, man.
Take that good one right there.
Oh shit, alright, so anybody need a stock computer? Oh, Jeff, remember what I said earlier?
What's up?
It'll make them faster if they buy it because we had it.
Oh, no edit.
Yeah, no edit, no chill. Yeah, so that's about it then. We take the, we got to unplug the ECU, and then you got to take them 2 10 mils that hold the wire harness to the firewall.
Oh yeah.
You take them out and pull the whole grommet out, and that'll release your wires from inside. Then I think you got 2 plugs on that side. Once we get that released, then we get the gas off. I got to take the gas line off. I think that's 11. What is that shit called? Like 11/19 or something. You know, one of them big ass opening wrench. I get that. You done took the gas.
Yeah, I gotta get that.
Get the bottom.
Control.
Yeah. And then we just unscrew these. And that'll be it for the gas. Oh, and the return line, gotta get that disconnected. And that should be about it. Oh, something else, a little tip. I don't know where I saw this at, but you always, before you do your gas line, you always wanna take your gas cap off. And I popped the trunk. You always want to take the gas cap off. Damn, all these fucking spiders. Take the gas cap off. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it was air in there. And you release the air from the system, so when you pop that line up front, damn, that shit was stuck. Damn, that's some stale smelling gas. But yeah.
You want some stale, bro? How about these arms?
Oh shit.
Damn, son.
Yeah, so when you take the pressure off the lines, that way when you break this big nut right here on the fuel rail, it won't go squirting in your face. It'll take a lot of that pressure off. Just a little pro tip when you're working on this shit, you know. We've only done a couple, so we've learned over the time we've been messing with them. But yeah, man, damn, we moved fast. That's why I would tell you, man, that day when me and Jeremy took the whole motor out and put the trim in and put the motor back, it's just because it really ain't much to. And you be saying like, what am I forgetting? All we got to do is pull the axles, and that shit'll be ready to go.
And see, one thing too, I'm kind of still fresh from the last swap. So I'm like,
you still remember shit that gotta come off?
We ain't gonna scratch the cable in this machine.
Oh shit. Don't worry, when we race, I'll be waiting for you. So what else we got? That's about it from up top, ain't it?
Damn it. Yeah.
Cause see, all this shit stay with the motor. Right. You unplug the horn and shit?
No.
So we just gotta unplug the harness and then take the axles out. Them ball joints, I hate them.
I whack them in no time.
I know you will, cuz. That's why everybody asks me how much we charge to swap more. I always say 5, cause you gonna get 250, I'm gonna get 250, cause Jeff will knock the ball joint.
You want me to go and take care on that?
Might as well, I mean, well shit, if you gonna knock the ball joint, I might as well pull the axles.
Hey, what's up,
grease and stuff.
What?
Okay, guys. So another update. The axles is out, and what else did we do? No. The axles is out. Jeff was trying to get the fuse box out of the way so he can take the 2 tins out that hold the wire harness to the firewall. Come on, cuz. Yeah, break it. Okay, so I gotta get in this rat shit inside. And basically all you gotta do is you gotta take all of these panels off. I can get a hold of it with one hand. You gotta pull all of these panels off. Then you gotta peel this carpet back. Man, I hope I don't get on a snake or something. Okay guys, so I completely forgot that's how long it's been since I've had to deal with the computers in these cars like stock, but they are actually all the way back here. I don't know how well y'all can see that. My phone is on. See that thing right there though with the bolt going through it back there? All the way back there. That is the ECU. And I do believe that on my track car, I left that where it's at and I just unplugged it, and then when I get my aftermarket one, I just put that in the floor like where the older generation of cords had there, and it works fine that way. I forgot all about that though. Alright, you can pull it out. Mm-hmm. 22 did.
Couple passes down the street though, so it'll be done.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, so got the return line off, got the gas line off. Recommend you always put this back when you take it off, put the O-ring back and put this back on the end. That keeps trash from getting in it. In case you might need to use that fuel rail in the future. I never do, but you never know. Somebody, one of your boys might want one. And then we got the, as you can see, we got the whole wire harness took out. And pretty much now all that's left is to hook the horse to it and pull it out, which I don't think we're gonna mess with it today because I do believe we still gonna ride something?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
I think we're gonna ride a little bit, so we're probably gonna end it right here and continue with, we'll get it out. Next video we'll probably get it took out, maybe take the transmission off, and then yeah, after that, I mean, it'll just be a waiting game to whenever we get the new motor. Yeah, man, that was quick though. What time is it now? 4:30. And we started about what, 2:30?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Been like 2 hours, man. We got it already ready to come out. And we just be bullshitting. Like, if I wasn't doing videos and with that sun coming out here, that 10 pipe, this is perfect riding with him, my nigga. What we gonna do?